everybody, my name is Bhavya Sekhri and I'm a child development trainer at Little League. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to raise a resilient child with strong coping skills. So with schools reopening and exams knocking on the doors after being online for months on end, this sudden change and newness have brought a lot of stress and uncertainty to our young ones. So the question is, how can we as parents ensure that our kids emerge out of this as more resilient and ready to face any such future adversity? So the answer to that is that our best bet is to only equip our children with healthy and strong coping skills. The first step is to maintain a balance between supporting and overprotecting your child. So make sure that your child solve their own problem, and struggling with problems are okay. It stretches their mind, it creates new connections and help them develop solutions independently, which means on their own. The second point is to help your child identify their emotions and appropriate responses. So every behavior is based on certain emotions. So help your child recognize and label that emotion and teach them how to deal with that situation in a more healthy manner, which will also help them in future situations.